Hello dear friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Today's recipe is a simple chutney. We are going to make mint and coriander chutney just the way they make in the restaurants. It's with yogurt and it goes very well with papad as a dip, or you can serve it with your snacks also. Especially with kebabs and non-veg snacks, it goes very well. So let's make it. Restaurant style mint chutney with yogurt. Nice, tangy, spicy and flavorful. To make this chutney, I have taken mint leaves 1 cup, coriander leaves 3/4 cup, 1 small onion peeled and sliced, 7 to 8 cloves of garlic and 2 green chillies. You may add more if you like. Salt to taste, roasted gram about 2 tablespoons. We also call it dalia. Yogurt about ½ cup. Ingredients list can be checked in the description box also. Now let's proceed to make the chutney. Transfer all the ingredients into the grinding jar. Instead of dalia, now you can add namkeen also, save or something. By the way, have you subscribed to the channel, dear friends? Please show some love by doing that. Apart from Indian recipes, I also bring food from all around the world, which I am sure you are going to enjoy. Now here goes the yogurt. I will not add any water as I like thicker consistency. If you want it little thinner, you can add some water. The blending is done. Wow, look at the lovely color. The fresh mint, tender mint is so flavorful. Check the salt. The consistency also is perfect for me. As I told you earlier, you can add some more yogurt or water if you want it thinner. This chutney pairs well with all the snacks, especially non-veg snacks like kebabs. And you can serve it as a dip with papads like they do in the restaurants. I really love the addition of yogurt in this chutney. Gives it a lovely tangy flavor and makes it look so appealing. The color is so inviting. So friends, do give it a try. I'm sure you are going to love it. Thank you for watching and check out these videos from my collection. You might have missed watching them earlier. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye until then.